Now, you need to isolate these. And we're going to do them one at a time. And the nature of this chain is you can pull the individual jump ring up out of it to solder it. So pick soldering, and we're using hard solder for all of this. One small piece. Flux the join. You don't need a lot, just a small amount. I'll see if I can zoom in and show you. So the smallest touch, and a little trick if you don't know it, is when you start to solder jump rings, sometimes there will be a little bit of oil on the jump ring. So what you can do is warm the jump ring up, touch it with your flux, and then you'll have a nice coating of a flux right on that spot. So heat up your solder pick up your solder, come from underneath, and you can see the angle of the flame. I'm coming from the bottom up. So there it is. Pick your next one, and you don't have to quench this. You can just grab it with your tweezers, push everything away, keep that one jump ring joint up. It should be warm from soldering the other one. Touch it with your flux brush. If the flux doesn't stick, warm it a little. So you can see that at that point the flux just stuck right to it. Bring the flame from underneath. Take your solder down, touch it, and it will flow just like that. Now, I keep the torch in my hand. I just bring up the next one to solder. Using my tweezers. Shift everything out of the way. You want to make sure that you don't heat anything other than your join. So you can see each time now I'm heating the jump ring before I touch it with my flux brush. It's just a habit I've gotten into. It makes sure that the flux is where it's supposed to be. Bring the next one up. Turn it so the joint's straight up. Flux it. Pick up your solder. Continue to the end.